Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Adobe Systems, and what we can see here is the long-term trend which is phenomenal. And if you look at the returns which a long-term investor has made over a period of time, let's say from the year 1986 till now, it has already risen by 219,000%, okay, or 2,19,753%, and it is still going very stronger. So let's discuss about the trend and what are the levels one should look if he or she is looking for a long-term trend. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now we have a very simple and specific chart here, okay, as you can see, and there is nothing that one should be very confused of, because here you can see a simplified support and resistance, or a trend, okay, on the lower end. On the higher end, what we have here is this. So this is how the trend is, and the kind of trend we have is very simple and easy to understand. Why I am using this term? Because when something is simple and easy to understand, obviously whenever we are forecasting those kind of things, there is a very high probability that it will move in the same way or the way in which we are expecting it to, okay. So that's why if you find something very simple and understandable, do not just leave that thing, okay, hang with that. So here we have your trend, and let's understand this. First of all, this is a long-term trend, so the levels which we can see in this particular trend is going to be very important, okay, either on the upside or on the downside. So here what we can see here, that you have your first support, okay, here you have your first support at 363, okay, and below that you have your next support at 209, and the bigger support will come at $91 on the downside. On the upside, what we are going to see is a range and not a specific point, because we don't know how the stock will move. So what we are going to do, that we are going to use this range, and because we don't know whether the stock will move like this or this or this, and we don't know the angle, so let me just zoom this chart a bit, okay. So here you can see that this is the longer term resistance. You can call it as a target line, I call it as a resistance line. So this is the longer term resistance where the stock will probably face the resistance, and it will be in between 780, 790 to $1,300 on the upside, and this is for long term, so you can expect these things to happen in the next 3 to 5 years on the lower side, okay. Now this is about this current trend. In case there is an exception, because we have already seen the downside where our important support and our upside. In case if this chart simply moves away or move above this line, the upper end of the range, then the trend will completely change. In that case, we have to redraw the trend. But for the time being, and for the last couple of decades, the trend has been respected, the current trend has been respected. So that's why you have lots of upside left, you can say, but this upside will probably be a big resistance in the time to come. So with the target you are looking for, you also need to think that you are looking for a resistance, a big resistance which is yet to come on the upside. So trade accordingly and understand your support and resistance level, save your profit. This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.